Own a business in Palmetto? There's a good chance you've already seen our work. Suncoast Window Films has completed window tinting projects throughout Palmetto for restaurants, offices, schools, veterinary facilities, and commercial buildings. We've installed window film for businesses including 3 Grayson restaurants, I&J Kitchen Remodeling, America Tin Ceilings, Palmview K-8 School, Good Vets Palmetto, and Feld Entertainment's office building. Every project has different goals. Some businesses need heat reduction to improve comfort and lower cooling costs. Others need decorative films for privacy and branding. Some require safety and security films to strengthen vulnerable glass and add protection. In Florida's climate, commercial window film can help reduce solar heat, cut glare on screens, improve employee and customer comfort, increase privacy, protect interiors from fading, and enhance the appearance of your building. So whether you own a restaurant, office, retail store, school, medical facility, or commercial property in Palmetto, we've likely completed a project similar to yours.